Ito pong matinding puna sa ICI Commissioner na kaya raw kayo binuo para wag masama ang Pangulo sa investigasyon. Ano po ang ginagawa ninyo para mapanatili ang credibility ng ICI bilang independent body lalo na't mainit ang political climate ngayon?
Now, to ang reaction, personal reaction, it's not the commission's reaction. No? Let's face it, no. Kailangan talaga additional powers for us to be able to do our work. I keep saying this in the gold standard of anti-corruption sa akin pagkaalam dalawa, no. Yung ICAC of Hong Kong, yung tinatawag lang Independent Commission Against Corruption, at saka yung CPIB, yung sa Singapore naman to, Investigative Bureau, no? Anti-Corrupt Practices Investigative Bureau. Iyon, ang practice doon sa dalawang yon, agencies na yon, all of what we are doing, ginagawa ng OMB, ginagawa ng Sandigan Bayan, all in one. No? So napakabilis ng desisyon, napakabilis ng pagpapakulong ng mga corrupt practices. In other words, the principle there is make corruption a high-risk low return. Eh dito sa Pilipinas, baliktad. It is low risk, high return. Kaya namimiesta ang mga corrupt.
Ma-expect nyo po ba ang mas mabibigyan po ng power ang ICI?
Well, so far in our discussions with the Senate President Tito Soto and the Chair, si Senator Kiko Pangilinan, plus those who are pushing for a similar law in the lower house, naintindihan nila. Bigyan lang nila ng sunset clause kung 3 years, 3 years. Tapusin, finish or not finish, pass your papers. No? But they have to give us more powers. No? Mas mabuti pa nga ang DTI, may hold departure order. Kami, ilbo lang, we cannot even issue. We have to go to court for these things. We have to go. And yet, there are so many administrative remedies already in existing agencies of government. Yun lang, i-assign lang sa amin, marami kami natatapos. Pwede kami mangumpiska ng mga illegal gotten wealth, illegal gotten assets. No? Yung mga ganun, walang-wala sa amin ngayon yun.
Nararamdaman niyo po ba yung frustration na nandoon nga, ramdam ko sa sa tono niyo, no, Commissioner, na kung meron lang mas maibibigay sa taong bayan yung mas mabilis na aksyon?
That's correct. Unfortunately, our level of authority is so limited, no? Investigation, para kami lang nag-iimbestigang police without the troops on the ground, no? To tell you frankly.
So ano po yung pwede talagang pinakamabilis na gawin if gusto pong ipakita talaga ng administrasyong ito na seryoso sa pagpapakulong ng mga corrupt na opisyal?
Tapusin kaagad yung yung batas na pinapasa sa Senado at Kongreso. Hopefully, as promised, they'll pass that before the end of the year. Panahon lang ng budget deliberations ngayon, but hopefully nakita na namin doon sa Senado yung deliberations, nag-line by line inputs kami doon, ganun din sa lower house, no? So hopefully it will be ready and passed before the end of the year. Then there's going to be a new commission with much more powers than the current ICI.